It's time for holiday trick. Now, who says that holidays just have to be celebrated with a warm, cozy sweater when it could be something that's like spicy and delicious? And maybe you live somewhere where it's warm. Celebrate Christmas everywhere, right? Hanukkah, Kwanzaa, whatever your holiday might be. This is something that I find to be like really delicious, and I love this, and I keep this in my refrigerator pretty much from fall to like February for cocktails if friends come over, or just, if I'm gonna make something non-alcoholic for my kids. So let's get started with this. What you're gonna do is you're gonna take 1 1/4 cup to 1 1/2 cup of sugar, and then you're going to add what you like, right? So I'm gonna add fresh cinnamon stick, and then I'm gonna use green cardamom. And I know that if you follow me that you have a Designated Drinker Show, you have definitely seen us use green cardamom before. So we're gonna take it, we're gonna put in there 5 to 6 pods, and then we're gonna use star anise whole. Now, when you're in the store, there'll be anise that is ground. You don't want that. You want the whole star anise. They're so cute. They look like little stars and stuff. And you can even use them for your decorations, which, I don't know. Maybe that's just me, but I think that they're fun. Anyway, so if you put that in there, and now we're gonna take a citrus element, which is something that's like super important. You're gonna take an entire peel of an orange. Now, you're gonna get a peeler, and you're gonna start, and you're gonna go really, really slow. And the reason why is because you're gonna try to get that peel in one big, long, and they call this a horse neck peel, because when you go to take it out later, you're not looking for like little like filaments or, pieces, and like nobody wants that in their drinks, right? And then to this, you're gonna add, you don't know. And to this, you're going to add a 1.5 cups of water. If you want a little bit looser, you're gonna add a little bit more water, a little less. You want a little bit thicker, you can add a little less water. You wanna shake it up a little bit, you could always use a little red wine. Yep. That's crazy, right? But it's delicious. And by the magic of TV, what you're left with after it reduces down on the stove over a medium heat is this beautiful syrup, and you have this indicator, which I like to call the translucent orange peel. And when you can see through it, then you have a delicious syrup. Catch me on the other side for the cocktail.